Today we're going to listen to a simple Spanish story perfect for absolute beginners. It's called La Cartera Perdida, which means the lost wallet. This story uses only basic vocabulary and short sentences, so you can start understanding Spanish naturally from day one. Before we begin, let's learn a few key words you'll hear in the story. Cartera, wallet, perder, to lose, buscar, to search, encontrar, to find, dinero, money, ayudar, to help. Now, let's listen to the story. Pay attention and try to catch these words as they appear. La cartera perdida. Me llamo Carlos. Hoy camino por el parque. Es un día bonito. El sol brilla. Veo algo en el suelo. Es una cartera marrón. La recojo. Abro la cartera. Hay dinero dentro. Hay mucho dinero. También hay una tarjeta. La tarjeta tiene un nombre. El nombre es Ana Martínez. Hay una dirección también. Pienso por un momento. ¿Qué hago? El dinero no es mío. La cartera no es mía. Alguien está buscando esta cartera. Ana está buscando su cartera. Miro la dirección. La calle Flores, número 15. No está lejos. Puedo caminar allí. Cierro la cartera. La guardo en mi bolsillo. Camino hacia la calle Flores. Paso por una tienda. Paso por una escuela. Finalmente llego. Es una casa pequeña. Una casa blanca con flores. Toco la puerta. Espero. Una mujer abre la puerta. Es una mujer mayor. Tiene el pelo gris. Parece preocupada. Pregunto, ¿es usted Ana Martínez? Ella dice, sí, soy yo. Saco la cartera. Le muestro la cartera. Sus ojos se abren grandes. Mi cartera, dice. La estaba buscando por todas partes. Pensé que la perdí para siempre. Le doy la cartera. Ella la abre. Cuenta el dinero. Todo está aquí, dice. Muchas gracias. Eres muy honesto. Sonrío. No hay problema, digo. Ella insiste. ¿Quiero darte algo? No, no es necesario. Pero ella saca dinero. Me ofrece billetes. De verdad, no puedo aceptar. Ella sonríe. Entonces espera un momento. Entra a la casa. Regresa con una bolsa. Son galletas, dice. Las hice esta mañana. Por favor, acéptalas. Acepto las galletas. Huelen deliciosas. Gracias, digo. Ella me da la mano. Gracias por tu honestidad. El mundo necesita más personas como tú. Me siento bien. Camino a casa. Como una galleta. Está deliciosa. Pienso en Ana. Pienso en la cartera. Hice lo correcto. Me siento feliz. A veces las cosas pequeñas importan mucho. Let's break down what happened in this story. Carlos was walking through the park when he found a wallet on the ground. Inside, he discovered money and an identification card belonging to Ana Martínez. Instead of keeping the money, Carlos decided to return the wallet to its owner. He walked to Ana's address and returned everything. Ana was extremely grateful and offered him money as a reward, but Carlos refused. Instead, she gave him homemade cookies as a thank you gift. The story teaches us about honesty and doing the right thing. Now let's practice some key sentences from the story. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Es una cartera. Es una cartera. Hay dinero dentro. Hay dinero dentro. La cartera no es mía. La cartera no es mía. Le doy la cartera. Le doy la cartera. These simple sentences form the foundation of everyday Spanish conversation. Notice how each sentence expresses one complete thought clearly. Let's focus on some useful phrases you can use in everyday situations. When someone does something kind for you, it's important to know how to respond. Listen to these expressions. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. This means thank you very much. De nada. De nada. This means you're welcome. Now let's look at the phrase Carlos used when he refused the money. No es necesario. No es necesario. This translates to it's not necessary. These phrases will help you in daily conversations when you visit a Spanish-speaking country or talk with Spanish speakers. Practice saying them aloud right now. Repetition helps your brain remember. Let's explore another important aspect of the story. Carlos had to make a decision when he found the wallet. He could have kept the money, but he chose to return it. This teaches us the Spanish word for honesty. Honestidad. Honestidad. Being honest is important in every culture. Ana recognized Carlos's honesty and wanted to reward him. The word for reward in Spanish is recompensa. Recompensa. Even though Carlos refused money, he accepted the cookies. Why? Because accepting a small gift shows respect for the giver's feelings. This is an important cultural lesson. In many Spanish-speaking cultures, refusing a gift completely can seem rude. It's polite to accept something small when someone insists. Now let's practice describing objects like Carlos did with the wallet. Una cartera marrón. Una cartera marrón. A brown wallet. You can use this pattern with many items. Una casa blanca. A white house. Un coche rojo. A red car. Notice how the color word comes after the noun in Spanish. This is different from English. We say brown wallet, but Spanish says wallet brown. This pattern is consistent in Spanish, so once you learn it, you can describe anything. Let's review the story one more time, but this time, try to say the Spanish words before you hear them. I'll give you the English first. Carlos walks through the park. Carlos camina por el parque. He sees something on the ground. Ve algo en el suelo. It's a wallet. Es una cartera. He opens it. La abre. There's money inside. Hay dinero dentro. He finds Ana's address. Encuentra la dirección de Ana. He returns the wallet. Devuelve la cartera. Ana is very happy. Ana está muy feliz. She gives him cookies. Ella le da galletas. Excellent work. You've just learned a complete story in Spanish using simple vocabulary and grammar. The key to learning any language is consistent practice. Try to read simple Spanish age stories every day. Listen to Spanish conversations. Don't worry about making mistakes. Every mistake is a learning opportunity. Carlos's story shows us that small actions matter. Returning a lost wallet seems simple, but it made Ana's day better. Similarly, learning just a few Spanish words each day seems small, but over time, you'll be amazed at your progress. Keep practicing these sentences. Write them down. Say them out loud. Use them in conversations. That's how you build confidence and fluency in Spanish. La honestidad siempre vale la pena. Honesty always pays off. When Carlos found that wallet, he had a choice. He chose to do the right thing. Now you have a choice too. You can choose to practice Spanish every single day. Start with 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes of listening, reading, or speaking Spanish. Those 5 minutes will grow into 10, then 20, then an hour. Before you know it, you'll be having real conversations. You'll be understanding movies, songs, and books in Spanish. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Today, you took that step. You listened to an entire story in Spanish. You understood it. You practiced key phrases. Tomorrow, take another step. Listen to another story. Learn 5 new words. Speak 1 Spanish sentence out loud. Every day, you're getting closer to fluency. Remember what Ana said to Carlos. El mundo necesita más personas como tú. The world needs more people like you. People who try, who practice, who don't give up. Keep going. Your Spanish journey has just begun, and it's going to be incredible.